Hey, how are you? This is Brian, going to show you another property that's ready to rent. 207 East Pine Street. So let's take a wander inside. So here you go. You've got walking in through East Pine Street. You can see that what we're walking into is the living room, living area. All the curtains come with it. Downstairs measures approximately at least this wood flooring, wood laminate with vinyl as you enter in. You've got approximately 18 feet by 18 feet, I think, to the bow window there. You come in, got access to a closet. Hang all your friends' belongings and your own in there. We've got gas, hot air system here. Very efficient, 95% efficient system. Here we're now walking into the kitchen, which measures approximately 15 by 15. All the appliances are with it. There you go, nice and clean. All the lights should be working everywhere. Downstairs bathroom, which makes it nice so you don't have to always climb the stairs to go upstairs. We've got a washer dryer unit, comes with the property too. This will also show you the all the innards of the there you go. Refrigerator, relatively new. I think the refrigerator's 2 years old. Sink, countertop, plenty of cabinet space here. Brand new carpeted for the stairs. So before we go all the way upstairs and I show you upstairs, let's go out the other door, which is in the kitchen up this landing. Oh, there's my kitty. And come out and show you the outside deck porch that overlooks the outside yard, or where I just walked in from. We maintain and manicure all this. You don't have to lift a finger. The only thing left to do here is to take the sidewalk over to here, where you can put your cooker down there or something. Again, you have off-street parking in the back there, and side entrance that comes from this walkway up here and into the house. So let's go upstairs. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stairs to get to the second floor. Give you a look back down. Let's go to the left. We'll go to the master bedroom first. Walk down a corridor hallway. Carpeted, it's pretty quiet. The master bedroom. So the master bedroom measures about the same size as the living room. Hardwood floors. All the curtains come with. Ceiling fan. Everything operational. 2 pretty decent sized closets. Gives you a chance to see. They're both the same. A his and hers model, or a hers and hers, or a his and his. Again, curtains come with. Everything's provided. We'll walk to the next bedroom to the right, which measures, I think this one's about 10 by 12. An external closet, I call it. Bookcase, ceiling fan. This door over here is another closet. I'm filming. Is another closet. We have to take some of this out. Obviously, this isn't supposed to be here. This is in here. That closet goes right into the other bathroom. So then we walk into the bathroom. Here you go. Tub and shower. Full. And a small sink area. Everything operational, functional. And in the back, the third bedroom, small bedroom, again, probably 10 by 12. Ceiling fan, lights, small closet in here also. All ready. So this back bedroom gets a chance to see out to the backyard. Okay. There you go. Turn off all the lights. Vacate. That's 207 East Pine Street in Selinsgrove.